all these bikes are in this video are dirt bikes, just to make sure. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to just be riding our dirt bikes around. Maybe, I don't know, do some jumps. That would be good. It's crazy. So like, it's not a good dirt bike. It has a flat tire. So we're just gonna be showing off our dirt bikes, starting from biggest to like smallest. Mine's the smallest.
There's only two.
No, there's more over there that we don't use.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So we're gonna start
I think
Jace's.
My.
We're gonna start Jace's.
Actually, here. Give me a second.
So starting.
I got this.
Can I start it? Oh, I like starting yours. It's fun. Ready? Is it like this? You like push it? The pedal? Wait, hold on. I forgot how to do this. Because I haven't ride your dirt bike.
Here, let me show you.
No, for real. It's a kickstart. It's a kickstart too.
Yeah,
Wait.
but it's not doing it. Let me show you how.
Hold up.
How you do
I'll do the kickstart.
That's not how you do it. That's not
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, that's what I'm showing you.
All right, how do I do this?
So you pull this back.
Yeah.
It has to be the right side.
Yeah.
There's two. I don't know why there's two. I need to take this one off.
Okay.
Just
like that. Now we're gonna show off the other dirt bikes. We're gonna do mine last because mine is basically the coolest.
This one's actually my dad's. It's not mine because mine is.
Because his has a flat tire, but he won't replace it.
Okay, so
The
we're gonna
one
go.
he uses is his dad. The Ronald's pretty good on that one.
Okay, this one.
So
Here, I got
this one.
I got this. This
Can
This one's the biggest. This one's my brother's.
Can I kickstart it,
Nah,
please?
these ones don't run right now.
Oh yeah, because the motor's broken.
And
The
this is my
motor's-
brother's. This is my sister's.
Yeah, the motors, both of the motors, and these brakes don't work.
Yeah.
These brakes work amazing.
Whoa.
So we're gonna ride around too.
Whoa. This one, my
But-
brother's works. It's just the transmission's broken. And this one, here, that one's actually the smallest. Probably. I haven't gotten on that
This
thing.
has a little bouncy,
Okay.
and this one says start, but like
It just has a flat tire.
it just has a very flat tire. So let me start.
Wait, no, can I get it since this one?
I want to start it.
No.
I haven't got to start a dirt bike for so long. 3, 2, 1. Still not coming up.
Okay.
I gotta pull the throttle and do it at the same time.
Okay, here. Let me show you.
Can you still
Guys,
ride
pretend
it?
that didn't happen. You watched it. He wanted to do that.
Yeah,
But
this
let's
is
just pretend.
flat.
Let me show y'all.
How flat that freaking tire is.
No, I'm gonna show y'all how loud this thing is. Let's just pretend Harrison didn't do that because he wanted to do it, so y'all watched him.
Yeah.
But let's just pretend like that didn't happen. We just pulled out here. This one is really. Here, leave that one. You're gonna break my. Yeah, you're gonna break my transmission. This one is the loudest dirt bike we have.
Yeah,
it's really very
loud.
extremely loud.
So like, if you try to go on it in the morning, it's just gonna wake
gonna
everybody up.
Yeah, it's gonna wake up.
It's gonna wake
But
everybody up.
that's
because it's like.
let's measure.
It's like
Yeah, Harrison's is smaller, so we're gonna do that one second last. This is the one that I ride right now. It's my
because
it's my dad's.
and there's
It's a nice.
it's a kickstart and it's a.
Whoa.
Wait,
No, this is the kickstart. That's just
Wait.
that's the kickstand. This is the kickstart on mine.
Oh, that's the kickstart?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought this was the kickstart.
No.
So can I kickstart it?
It's already started. Remember?
I know, but
Ow.
sorry.
It's already started, bro.
All right, fine.
Remember? And it's bad for the engine to start.
Oh yeah,
To try to start it, to run the starter motor. Okay. So this one's nice.
inner tube here because like the inner tube's really big.
And now we got Harrison's.
Mine, I'm gonna show y'all how to.
Yeah, you can start his. Start yours.
So mine's a key start, and
So you like turn the key to unlock the kickstart and then you kickstart it.
yeah. So like,
Oh, wait. First, guys, I forgot. I have
You need to go to my house. The keys in my room.
How'd you get your bike over here?
I started the engine,
Oh,
then I kick-started it, but I accidentally left the key inside.
so you like came outside and then you were like holding the key, but you set it down and grabbed something.
Yeah, but
Okay.
you
Well, mine has the key to unlock this. It was already unlocked, and it has a button start right here. This is a button start, right here. A tiny little button.
and like so.
Here, let me show you. Turn off.
Once you get off of it, it just automatically stops.
Yeah.
So
Oh, so it's turned off now.
it's been turned off for a while. Actually, no. I think I know what the key is.
Oh yeah, mine also has a mode where it does that. You have to put in the code to
Yeah,
turn it
I know
on
what
that
my
and turn
key
it
is.
off.
I swear I left it here last night. I left my key here. So
Well,
I know where it is. It's right here.
wait, before we gotta show this one, guys. See how loud this is. Ready? It's the same start as Harrison's.
6:30.
Ready?
This is the same one, but it's just the different brand.
Here. Wait, this one's also a key.
Alright, you can't.
Yeah, it's right there.
But yeah, you're in like park right now, so like if you take it, it's
Actually, DirtBikes don't have park, so it's not in park. It's just not in gear.
it's not.
So I'm
gear,
revving it. It's not in
You're
gear.
revving
Here, I got it.
When it's revving it is like that.
Wait.
Oh God.
Hold the phone. I'm gonna ride it just for a second, just so I can.
Because like it's.
You know what the best sound is?
Oh my God, that's still rideable.
Yeah, it's really. I have the best idea, guys.
But
You know?
don't you dare do the job with that.
No. That's how you destroy the tire.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting the air pump. Guys,
Wait, get the air pump so you can just
it
pump
doesn't
it,
like
pump
it
it, pump
doesn't
it.
like immediately go down.
But like it goes down like wait, if we do air it up enough, maybe I'll get to ride it. Maybe baby. I never rode that
everybody has
Cause we all have a different type of dirt bike. Like mine is a FS20. His is a Ozone. Ozone and a Shock.
No,
So
it's a Ozone 20 and the shock,
And this one is
the word shock is just showing off that it has
this one is a GT. GT
the
motor.
GT.
It's crazy.
My brother,
The GT motor is crazy.
my sister,
Is
my brother's is also an Ozone, but my brother's is the Ozone 500. I just said Ozone 20. It has 500 horsepower. My sister's is it's not a dirt bike. It's basically just a
electric bike.
well, no, it has an engine. It's just not very
The engine's just like
it's not meant for off road. So
it's meant for on road.
Yeah,
It's
it's
an
meant for-
on road.
it's meant for like I don't know what this one's called. It's called.
Look at the car. Look at the car. Look at the car.
I was looking at that. I was looking at that part and I thought it was called lifetime warranty, but that's just saying it has a lifetime warranty.
Do you know the song
Well, I
Created
don't
Me?
know. I don't know what this one's called.
Do you know what the song Created Me in a Clean Heart? Created me.
Yeah, like we sing that sometime at church.
Alright, I'll put it.
Okay.
Is the inner tube
like
done?
Oh, well, this is gonna be part 2 of showing off Jace's and Harrison's bikes.